Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. World Under-20 sprint champion Tina Clayton has promised greater things to come as she looks to go pro for the 2023 season. Clayton defended her World Junior title in sensational fashion on Wednesday night in Cali, Colombia, as she stopped the clock in a championship and a national Under-20 record of 10.95 seconds.
A record wasn't in my mindset, but just to come out here and defend my title. To know this is my last year in high school, well, not really my last year, but you know, as an high school athlete, I cannot stay at high school running at 10, so you know, I got to move on. You know, difficulty is going to be there, but I am very strong mentally, and I think that I'll overcome everything.
Clayton, who became the second Jamaican woman to defend a World Junior title, led home a 1-2 finish for the country, with Serena Cole ending second in 11.14 seconds.
Well, we came out here to get the 1 and 2, and we did just as that. It's a great experience. My second year at the World Juniors. Last year, I did not do the 100 because of some difficulties. But this year, I came out here and did my best.
Jamaica, in the meantime, will have 4 chances of adding to their medal tally this evening. Dejanae Oakley will line up in the finals of the women's 400 meters at 5:40. At 5:50, the pair of Delano Kennedy and Shamar Yuta will contest the men's 400-meter final. At 6 p.m., Brian Lavelle will line up in the final of the men's 200 meters. And finally, the Sunshine Girls recorded a historic win over top-rated netball team Australia to finish top of Pool A at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England this morning. The Jamaicans defeated Australia 57-55 to record their first ever win over Australia at a major championship as they look towards this weekend semi-finals. The Jamaicans were outscored 13-14 in the first quarter but rallied in the second as the teams matched up with 16 goals apiece. Now the Jamaicans outscored Australia 17-9 in the final quarter to come out with a 2-goal win. And that's it for your midday sports report. Kalisha, it's back to you.
Thanks, Renardo. And that's the midday news. I'm Kalisha Williams. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.